Yo, what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Leo, and I'm coming at you with this review of this Eufy Clean Pro G32 RoboVac. I picked this up from Walmart. I think it was for under $130, might have been 120. I honestly forgot. But figured that I haven't seen that many reviews on this thing, but like video reviews, but I've seen some of the actual reviews online and people are actually kind of happy with it. But I figured for $120, $130, why not give it a shot? So let's go ahead and open this up and see what you got. So let's try to put this right here. Alright, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Let's go ahead and pop this box open. Put it in there. So we have a quick starter guide. I usually don't even read those things, to be honest. Throw that away. It looks like this might be the base. So it doesn't actually like suck up the dirt or nothing like that, I think. It is just a charger that it, will return home when it needs to be fully charged. So I'll just put that aside. Got a power adapter for the charger. And here's the vacuum. They just threw a few things in the back of the box, I guess. So it looks like this is maybe like a brush that maybe attaches to it, or maybe to use to clean, one of the two. Okay, these are just cords, so you can organize your cords so it doesn't rip up your cords. I think they're just zip ties. And okay, yeah, so this is gonna be to cut the hair if you have hair inside the brushes, and then maybe to clean it, the cleaning tool. Let's open up this bag. Let me get my tripod. This ain't gonna work. So I just pulled it out of the bag. I'm gonna put all these little extra accessories on the side. And then here it is. That thing is clean. I wonder how long it's gonna stay like that. Something sticky on it. So I guess that's where it docks. Or, not sure. Switch on before use. Okay. It's got the Wi-Fi connection. Play and pause. Power. And dizzy mode, I don't know. So it's pretty thin. So I think it can go under furniture, and it has like this little cool blue glow. It's pretty nice. It looks like it's already on, but it's not. underneath. It's got this wheel. Oh, this is probably where it charges to the base right here. Yeah. And then this little tool, side brush, probably slides right into here somehow. Boom. I just snapped it on there. It looks like it spins. It's kind of weird how it spins up against these wheels. Huh. Maybe when they're down. There's that. Oh, this is if you want to clean them, I guess. Yep. You can probably pop them out and get them real clean with that brush, and then just snap it back on. And this is where you empty it, I think. Batteries. That's probably where the battery's at. So scoop up and dump. So I'm guessing this is gonna be the trash. How does that work? I guess it's got a screw. So you probably gotta unscrew that somehow, or no, never mind. You press this button. Okay, so you press this button right here. So this is gonna be where all the trash is gonna go into, all the stuff that it picks up. And it's gonna send it into here. And then you just grab this button and you pull back. And bada boom. You can see that's where it sucks in. You can probably take this out too and clean it. But that's where it goes. There's a filter in there. Looks like you can take all that apart. There's like a little instruction. Yep. And clean it after each use. And then you just boom, snap it back in. And then I don't think you even needed to take this off, or maybe you did. Put that back on. Boom. Simple. Alright. I'll do another video when I have it on. And we'll see how it works. Kind of excited about it. Alright. Peace.